Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the quantum number of electrons present in an atom. So what is quantum number? Like we are having some address for our residence. There we mention different points like our state or district or subdivision, block, etc. And one important postal index number. So like that, postal index number as we use for the address for our residential or any kind of office address. So for the electron we use one number that is called quantum number. You can like correlate this quantum number with your pin code number. So now like we are having four quantum number. So the first quantum number that we know is called the principal quantum number, and it is represented with the symbol n. So principal quantum number, it is having the symbol of n. Then we are having next quantum number that is called azimuthal quantum number, and it is represented with the symbol of L, small l. Next we are having magnetic quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and this magnetic quantum number is represented with the term of m, l, m in the subscript l. Next we're having the last quantum number, that is the spin quantum number, and it is represented with the help of ms or sometimes s only. So now what is the physical significance of this quantum number? So generally principal quantum number physically signifies the energy of the electron and also the orbit or the shell in which it is present. So next we are having the azimuthal quantum number. In azimuthal quantum number, we generally talk about the shape of the orbital. Next, we are having the magnetic quantum number. There we talk about the orientation of the orbital, and spin quantum number. There we talk about the electronic spin in an orbital. First, if we know the value of principal quantum number, so from there, with the help of different formula, we can find out azimuthal quantum number, and from the azimuthal quantum number, we can find out the magnetic quantum number as well as the spin quantum number. Say I am having a principal quantum number is n. So n can have any value. That value starts from 1, 2, 3, dot any real number. So that will be any real number 1, 2, 3, 4. N will not be 0 anytime because the number of shell cannot be 0. It may be first, second, third like that. So azimuthal quantum number actually depends on the value of n. So azimuthal quantum number is having for a particular value of n. Like if I am having a value of n of 1 or 2 or 3. So for a particular value of n, the azimuthal quantum number will be 0 to n minus 1. If I am having n equals to 1, for n equals to 1, L will be 0 to n minus 1. That is 0 to 0. That means 0 only, because 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now for like I am having n equals to 2. So for n equals to 2, you can see L will have the value of 0 to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is there, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 0 comma 1. For the value of n, that is 2, we'll have 2L value, that is 0 and 1. Like that, if you're having the value of n equals to 3, then you can have the value of L 0, 1 and 2, because n minus 1 is there, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now for the magnetic quantum number, as I told you, for each value of L, the ml will have different value. So what it is, say if I'm having the value of a like L and ml, they are related like that. Ml equals to minus L dot 0 dot plus L. What does it mean? I am having the value of L equals to 1. For this value of L equals to 1, what will be the value of ml? It will be minus 1, then it will increase by 1, that is 0, then increase by 1, that is plus 1. So for the value of L equals to 1, I'll have minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So if I am having like L equals to say 2, then what will be the ml value? So again, as I told you, it will be minus 2, minus L to plus L, so minus 2, increase by 1, that is minus 1, then 0, then plus 1, then plus 2. So like that, we'll have 5 values of ml. Now, spin quantum number. Spin quantum number actually is having two values. It doesn't depend on ml and all, but it is having an independent value of plus half or minus half. So ms or s will have the value either plus half or minus half. So what does it plus half or minus half signify? Actually, if you consider the electron spin is in the like clockwise direction, it will be plus half. In anti-clockwise, it will be minus half. Now, in an orbital, there may be only two electrons, so that's why we'll have the two spin quantum number, that is plus half and minus half. So now this is the like basic idea about the quantum number. Although like in so many short class we cannot cover the quantum number, but for your basic understanding, this formula if you can remember, then it will help you in different competitive exam. But for your further knowledge, you consult your textbook or whatever books you have, go through them to understand this quantum number very like detailed. So now in the next video we will discuss about few like application of quantum number and like what type of questions may be asked in the quantum number like topic. In this topic, what type of questions like we may expect. So that's all for this video. Now for the application, like see the next video regarding the quantum number. Thank you.